Hey guys, welcome to RK Keynotes. Do you want to check the personal data such as your email address and mobile number has been compromised by data breaches? Then this video is for you. There is a website called as haveibeenpwned.com. Using this website you can check the data breaches. Now the question is it safe to use this website? Of course it's a legit site and it is safe. You don't want to enter any of your passwords here. You just want to enter your email address or your mobile number with international format and click over here pound and it is going to display the information. So let me check with a mail ID and I'm gonna click pound. Oh no, pound. That is 10 data breaches it is showing. Let's check that. I'm gonna scroll down. 2008-44 separate data breaches, anti-public combo list, city or day, collection, exploit, .in, Indian Railways. It is also showing that compromised data, email address, password. And you see this, they are taking usernames also in some websites, even in LinkedIn and MySpace. So these are all the mail ID, websites which I have registered with this mail ID. So now how to get rid of all these things? The only way is that we have to keep on switching the passwords. That's the only way we can escape all these kind of issues. From hackers. So you can check with mobile number even. I'm gonna pass a dummy mobile number over here. Let's check this. Yep, good news. No pawnage found. No breached accounts. Fine. So this is how you can check your email ID and your mobile number. So if you want to have an alert whenever the breaches occurs, if you want to get a notification, then you can click here notify me and you can provide your mail address here so that whenever there is a breach you're gonna get notified. Alright, so hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching the video.